Hello guys, good afternoon mga loves. Kamusta kayo? So guys, it's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So for today's video, kasama ko ang aking friend na si Rahad. Ayun siya. Say hi Rahad.
Hi everyone, how are you?
Yeah. He's from Pakistan guys. So yun. We're going to Grand Mosque, no?
Yeah.
So first time kong pupunta ng Grand Mosque guys. So it's our day off today. So timing na we are same day off, no? Timing. So we're gonna go to Grand Mosque. It's been a long years na ako nasa Abu Dhabi, but still okay. Still I didn't visit this Grand Mosque. So now I got a chance to go there.
My chair in ground. I'm sitting in there. This is basement my building. Park.
Okay. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Grand Mosque. Ito na, on the way na kami, going there. So let's see if we can still wear this shirt. We bring a long sleeve, no, with collar, right? So if they will not allow us to go inside without wearing those, so we can change. Ayun guys. So ayun, first time ko siya nakasama, si Rahad. Hopefully I can visit your country soon, no? You want to visit Philippines?
Yeah.
Greet our Filipino. Say hi, kamusta?
Hi everyone, kamusta? Tagalog, maganda, bas.
Maganda. Ingat, say ingat. Ayun guys, papunta na kami ngayon. So on your birthday, where are we going?
Birthday going
It's Rahad birthday next week, no? Yeah. Better we go swimming, no? Only me and you? Huh?
But my friend, swimming.
Why we need to pay that? Huh? Gutom na ako guys kasi it's about what time now? And guys, malapit na raw kami sa Grand Mosque. So ayun pala siya. Natatanaw na namin siya. It's better if we wear kondura, no?
Yeah.
Because we forget now. We are planning to go to Manda, right? But the problem,
I'm planning in there.
Yeah.
I have two kandura, black and white.
it will match on my size.
Yes.
So ayan guys yung Grand Mosque. So you know where to park? Ang ganda niya guys, grabe. Wait, showing gate. Can you ask? 6 and 7. Entry gates. 6 and 7. Thank you, kuya.
Which side?
So 6 and 7 daw guys yung entrance private car. Slowly, no? So we can see the gate. 5. So the next gate will be. Ang ganda niya guys, sobrang laki niya. Yeah, 6 and 7 yeah. So we can enter to that. Imagine guys, sobrang haba nung iikutan nyo. So gate number 6 is here. Yeah, it's showing on the side. Yeah, we can follow that car. Ito na kami guys sa may gate number 6. Ayan siya. Visitor parking here. How you go here last time?
Me?
Hmm.
Maybe 1 year.
Okay. So we can park here.
No.
So that side? Huh?
Yes.
I think you have to follow that car. They are also So yun guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa may Grand Mosque. Say hi lahat. So we're here now in Grand Mosque. Nakahanap na rin kami ng parking. So ayan siya guys. Ang init. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Grand Mosque. So ayan guys, nakapasok na kami sa loob ng Grand Mosque. So meron pala siyang mall dito sa bandang ibaba. So yung pinaka-underground niya pala is mall. So ayun siya.
Okay, first bill registration is
Which one?
bro. Registration.
So guys, nandito na kami ngayon. It's cute na. It's like a real dog. So there is a food court din pala rito guys. So meron din food court. So kung gusto nyo magkumain, ayun siya. So guys, meron din dito mga toy shop. Ayan. So guys, nandito na kami sa may registration. So guys, we're here now inside, no? So yun guys, nandito na kami ngayon. Nakapasok na kami sa loob. Come. So this is the first one or that side? Huh? Huh? See guys, ang dami mga tourists dito na nagpupunta. Just want to show. So yun guys, pumasok na kami. Bawal pala yung microphone. Bawal pala yung microphone. So, sinurrender ko muna yung microphone ko. Para, yan, pinagbabawal kasi nila. So guys, so let's make it.
I'm enjoy hot weather.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
So guys, we're done. Now we're going home. We will just check inside what we can. So how was your day? Super hot. It's nice, no? So, grabe guys, ang ganda ng Grand Mosque. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang laki. So guys, we're done. Now going home. It's very hot there, but at least we enjoy it. We see the beautiful mosque, Grand Mosque of Abu Dhabi. So nice, guys. Finally, I've been. Say hi.
This one is the same. The one with the stomach.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in waiting.
See, nice, no? Souvenir.
Skip this time.
See guys.
Skip.
No need to come. It's okay. I know this already. Only to show what they can see from here. So guys, ito,
My picture there.
you will see this here inside, guys. Yes, they have this one. So nice. It's like chocolate bar, no? They have Force card, guys. And daming mabibili rin. See, they have this chocolate chip. Nice. Hi. So guys, it's done. So we're done, no? They have Starbucks also here inside. So we will go up. Huh? You can ask Kuya.
more tickets from there.
So guys, meron din ritong arcade for kids. It's nice. So guys, done. So did you enjoy it, friend?
Yes. Too much hard.
So next week, where are we going? Next week, where are we going?
Going to swimming pool.
Beach, no? We're going to
Yeah.
beach. Yeah. So guys, ayan. Tapos na kami. Nakapamasyal na kami ngayon, guys. So yun, napuntahan na rin namin finally yung Grand Mosque. So ito siya. Dito na kami ngayon. Going back to our car na. So that's our video for today. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoy watching our visit here in Grand Mosque. So keep on watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share our video for more exclusive videos to come. See you guys. Thanks for everyone. I love you all. God bless. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.